This is a litter of Shih Tzu puppies, and they are about 2 weeks old. And this is a tiny black girl. And she's got a little white under her chin and on her chest. She's going to be really cute. This is the black boy. Where you going? Where you going? Got his eyes open. There's them eyes. Let me see them pretty eyes. You getting hungry? Let me see them pretty eyes. Beautiful black boy. Hush, Cookie. Oh, they're all here, somebody. And this is the little red girl. She's a beautiful dark red color, like a mahogany red. She's got the black muzzle. And somebody's outside weed eating. And she's got tan leg, more of a red, light red legs. Looks kind of tan. And the inside of her back leg is a lighter colored red. Let's see, and she's got the spot on the side of her face. Very pretty girl. Mama's wanting her puppies back. Beautiful red girl. And then a big black and white girl. It's a fat thing. She's so fat. Beautiful black and white. Got your eyes open, baby girl. No. She's the largest one in the litter. She's a fat girl. And then the black boy. And the two tiny ones are the black girl with the white on the chest. And the little red girl. It's a beautiful girl. A beautiful squishy face. And she comes from beautiful bloodlines. Got your eyes open. She's got the lighter colored chest and legs. Look up here, girl. The Dobie markings. And the lighter colored on the back legs. You can see the inside's red, a lighter colored red on her feet and chest. Beautiful squishy face. Here you go. You gonna roll over? You gonna roll over, roly poly? And that's the little black girl. Look at you go.